Get ready to experience the future of luxury SUVs. The 2026 BMW X3 is about to revolutionize the game with stunning design upgrades, cutting-edge technology, and a lineup of eco-friendly powertrains. Stick around to find out why this SUV is set to dominate the roads. Before we dive in, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and tap the like icon to support our channel. Share this video with your fellow car enthusiasts so they can stay updated too. Welcome back to Car Release TV channel. Starting with the exterior design, the 2026 X3 sports a sleeker and more aerodynamic profile. Its enlarged front grille and sharper angular headlights create a bold, modern aesthetic. Around the back, you'll find a redesigned rear spoiler and tail lights, adding a sporty yet sophisticated vibe. Inside the cabin, luxury meets innovation. Premium materials and advanced technology set the tone, with the highlight being a dual-screen infotainment system, a 12.3-inch driver display paired with a 14.9-inch central touchscreen, seamlessly integrated into a minimalist dashboard. This setup promises a futuristic and immersive driving experience. When it comes to performance, BMW offers a variety of powertrains. The base model features a 2.0-litre turbocharged four-cylinder engine, while the more powerful option comes with a 3.0-litre six-cylinder engine. For eco-conscious drivers, hybrid variants are available, including a plug-in hybrid capable of up to 62 miles on electric power alone. The 2026 BMW X3 truly represents the future of luxury SUVs, blending bold design, innovative technology, and eco-friendly options. Are you ready to elevate your driving experience? Stay tuned for more updates right here on Car Release TV channel. Remember to subscribe, like, and share for more exclusive insights into the automotive world. See you in the next video.